Guys, what is my cat doing? See? Oh! He has all the stand-up action. Oh. Oh my god! It almost wrapped around him. Oh, he got it. We got this from Ollie's. We got this toy from Ollie's. I think, yeah, it's the one in Kings Highway. This is the one in the Ollie's in Kings Highway. If you see one of these, you have to get it for your cat. My cat loves it. My orange cat, I gotta close the door because when Munchkin comes, he would ruin all the fun. Munchkin likes these feathers, and Mercat likes the ball. He has all the stand-up action on this, though. He loves the ball, though. ASMR. Like, when he just chews the ball, it's like ASMR to my ears. Oh my god. Oh, be careful, Mers. My mom getting dressed. Oh, he has all of the stand-up action. Oh! Wanna tell him how you like this? Wanna tell him how you like this? You don't? Okay. Now he's sniffing. Bye, guys.